Hello friends, let's start with Maths Standard 1. The first lesson, small and big. Okay, what can you see here? What all can you see here? These are two birds. These are two birds. Now tell me which bird is small and which is big? Yes, this bird is small and this bird is big. Now will you remain small all the time? Will you remain small all the time? Will you remain small all the time? No. You will grow taller and become big. Okay? Become big. So now you are small. Later on when you grow you will become big. Now let's come to your chapter small and big from your textbook. Now what can you see here? These are two clocks. What are these? These are two clocks. Now let's read what they have said. Color the box below the smaller clock. You have to color the box below the smaller clock. So you have to color this clock because it is smaller. Now let's see, what is this? It's a school bus. And what is this? This is a car. This is a car. Now what you'll do, let's read the question. Color the box below the bigger vehicle. Now you have to color bigger vehicle. Which is big? The bus is big or the car is big? Yes, the bus is big. So you are going to color the box below the bus. Now let's come to the next sum. Now what is this? You know this is a pot and this is also a pot, but it is very small. So you have to color the box below the smaller vessel. Which is small? This pot is small or this pot is small? Yes, this pot is small. So below means down. Below. Very good. Now let's come here. Color the box below the bigger ball. So you have to see the bigger ball and you have to color it. Very good. Now let's come to one more. This is from your textbook and I have taken one more example just for your help. So big and small. Color the bigger candy. Now can you see the candy? You love chocolates, so you have to color the bigger candy. So you can color the bigger candy like this. Okay, you have to color the bigger candy. So you have colored the bigger candy? Yes, very good. Now color the smaller apple. You have to color the smaller apple from the two. Very good, excellent. Now color the smaller ball. You can use any color. I am using few colors. So color the smaller ball. Very good. Very good. Now color the bigger car. You can color the bigger car. So you can draw these things in your notebook and you can color it. Okay, so this will tell you. Now let's do some exercises with words. Okay. Now tell me. The bus is dash and the car is dash. Now what is big and what is small? You are going to tell me. So you are going to fill only these two things, big and small. So the bus is big, very good, and car is small. Okay, next. Come on. Elephant is big and deer is small. Very good. Next, come to the next one. Bullock cart is dash and bicycle is dash. Bullock cart is big and bicycle is small. Understood, children? Now let's do one more. Now I'll draw what is this? Now this is a glass, so I will write the glass on the right is dash. Right means this side. So the glass on the right is big. So any type of questions can come, children, and you have to understand. So an object which is huge, an object which is huge is big, and an object which is tiny is small. Now suppose if I ask you, if I write something and you have to classify into big and small, so you should be able to do that also. Classify into big and small. You should be able to divide this. Okay, now I'll write mouse, truck, train, apple, aeroplane, book. So you have to make two columns. Big, small. And now you have to write. So tell me, mouse is big or small? It is small. So you have to write mouse here. Truck is big or small? Truck is big. Train is big or small? Train is big. Apple is big or small? Apple is small. Is aeroplane big or small? Aeroplane is big. Is book big or small? Book is small. So you should know like this also, not with only pictures. You should be able to understand also what is big and small. Meet you soon in the next video, children, with the next chapter. Bye.